Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? We are here again to react and to respond to some of the critics of those people who claim that the Biafran government in exile having white, Caucasian children playing for Biafran, representing Biafran is a sin, is a taboo. And without knowing that some of them that are saying that actually have, white women that give birth to that have children for them. They have kids for them, but they ignore those things and trying to, because once the US and their group want to do propaganda, they don't look back. They can use even their private life to do propaganda just to make sure that they prove a point without checking what value those points we add in the society or in their own life. Now, I told us that time when this news was trending that most of the people that we are seeing here are, half caste. Most of them have white woman as their mother and black person, black friends as a father. Some have, white men as their father, black woman as their mother. But they say no, they don't look at this. They're pure Caucasian, that they are pure white, they are not mixed blood whatsoever. Now, these are brother reason the same way that I reasoned, because it's an insult to anybody that have, mixed child. If you're a father, if you're a Biafran and you have children in Europe, that those who are criticizing these children are actually coming after your own son. But do they actually understand what I'm saying? The answer is no, because even Methuselah, who happened to be one of the people that are championing that nonsense, he married to a white woman. Okay, just like many many of them have, because you hear that I am a citizen now and I have document, I have the document started from the woman. That's not the reason why I'm making this video. I just want you to note that so that you understand what this guy said here. Listen to him.
Some people have been asking why all these Biafran footballers, there is no black inside. Are you sure that these people are Biafrans? They are Biafrans. Do you understand? Likewise me now. I know I have children. I have 2 children in France. They are white. I give a woman Bele. You come on twins for me for France. So they are white people. They are even not have to speak Igbo. You understand? So not tomorrow if they grow up, they will come to Biafra land, they will ask me how come. Yes. I have children in France. I have twins. Children, they can also speak Igbo. Because I teach my wife how to speak Igbo in France. You understand? So you guys
Did you hear that? He has actually explained everything very, very well here, because he understands the danger. I love the ending part where he said, I don't want a situation whereby my children come back tomorrow. You people will say, why? He said, yes, they are Biafrans. Anyway, I want to know your take on that. Do you understand when people said, look, don't criticize these young guys, young children. Don't criticize them because these are little people, little boys that are in their 18, 19. So people who actually have children abroad and you join them in criticizing and saying all this kind of thing, you are capable of selling your own children just to show your hate on Biafran Prime Minister, which is very, very shocking. Very, very, very shocking. Now let's move to another thing, because I have other things to share with us. I have other things to share with us in this video. So I want you to hear what this Bini woman is, what she said here, and I want you to just hear this, because when I listen to this, I felt like, okay, that I must share it so people will hear what she's saying. Because when I see some Biafrans are saying nonsense things against Bini, I always condemn it, right? So I don't need to ignore the same critics, the same action when Bini people are the one, saying nonsensical things against Igbos. Just hear this, because I want you to make sure that you understand what he said.
You will know that this comment is from hopeless and useless Igbo person.
Hold on, let me take it back a bit so that it will start from the beginning. Listen to that. Okay, this is the comment that she's talking about Oba Bini na Mumu. Then she want to respond to that, and she said it. So she's trying to respond or to react to this comment. Of course, anybody that is sorting Oba of Bini is, to me, is making a very big mistake. I am not a lover or fan of Oba. Don't get it twisted. But I don't see the reason why you want to sort of. But to me, I believe that this person is not even evil, because one thing, since Yoruba people have decided to, they have made that attempt in the past. I believe that most of them making comment against Benin people are basically Afonja. But I'm not here to defend anybody, okay? Because sometimes they'll feel like, oh, you said that you are Biafran, that's why you hate Yoruba. You hate. No, they have tried it in the past. And what makes you think that they're not the one behind the account that they're insulting Oba again? You understand? Because I don't see the reason why you choose to talk down on Oba. Oba is not dragging your land. He's in the Bini. Bini is their separate land on its own. So let us not, drag, because I listen to Methuselah, somebody like who said that he's a media warrior, that he's IPOB DOS media warrior, saying that Benin land is actually our land, that is his Igbo land. I don't know. I don't know where he got it. I'm not saying that I know, but to me, I don't think it's necessary to start making that kind of comment now. Whether it's Igbo land, it's not Igbo land, I don't know. But I don't think that is necessary. It is something that bothers us at the moment. So if it is Igbo land, why then Igbos allow them to establish monarch system in their land and all that? So we have many other things to face, not that, and allow peace to reign, please. Now listen, just hear what she said.
Anytime you see a comment like this, you will know that this comment is from hopeless and useless Igbo person. Who be say they not get future again. Come on, Benin spoil una life. Useless Igbo people. Na Benin people spoil una life. Na Benin people cause hunger for una body. Na Benin people make una not share Nigeria. Nigeria not let them share. Una forefathers don't collect their share. Use and shop Ugba and Abacha. Mona go meet una forefathers. Which men they impregnate women when they not they marry them because of documents? Now go impregnate women, now go abandon them. A lot of Afghans for Europe, not people they impregnate them, they bomb them, take get paper. Now get paper finish, now go run. Una village is poverty still full on. So people, una just they pretend they follow us since. You guys don't love anybody. You don't love Benin people. You don't love Yoruba people, but you want to eat from us. You want to shop from us.
Now, did you hear what she said? That Igbo men are good at impregnating a Igbo woman and run away and ignore them and abandon them just to have paper and all that. It is true. But the issue is it Igbo people alone? So Bini people are the only people that are not. Is that what I'm saying? The answer is no. Bini people also do the same. So that one person made a comment, whether it's Igbo or not Igbo. I just like, if let's assume that the comment now, like I said, I believe that it's a Yoruba man. Let's assume that he's a Yoruba person, for example. Do you think it's wise for you to say Yoruba people are very stupid, they are very useless, they are this, that? It's not. Focus on the person that attack you. Do you understand what I'm saying? After all, we have people that you love. You know that as you cherish Oba of your Oba, it's the same way we cherish Mas Namadagano. So if you want to revenge, maybe you can pick the person's father. You say your father is this. You understand? But when you highlight your attack on Igbo people alone, to me is immature. It's very, 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 very bad. Very, very bad. So I have a response to what she said. Just for you to understand why I said pick the person that attack you and ignore the entire race, because Bini is a different people on its own. Do you understand? So if somebody attack Oba of Bini or say bad things, say nonsensical thing against your people or against you, don't use because you hate the person to on every other people. It's not to me. I see it as somebody who you don't have something to offer. Now, imagine if I choose to attack all the Bini because of what she said. I will now include this guy that actually respond. I don't know if this video is direct to the lady or to other, because they have different people that are saying all manner of nonsense against Igbo people, and some Binis are countering that, just like we do counter when Igbo people attack Bini, because every nation, every group have good or bad people. Now, hear what this guy said here. He's a Bini person. Hear this.
They enter us. Your own fellow Benin say they can never marry their own fellow sister because they be Ashawo. But Igbo man go marry and put for us. Igbo man go pay madam. Igbo man go send and go school. And you dey tell me say Igbo na bad people. Many of una get mental problem. God bless you all.
Okay, let's watch it again because we did not start from the beginning.
Let's tell ourselves the truth without being biased. Igbo men don't carry many Benin women for this Europe. Come up for Ashawo work more than Benin men. Yes, if you don't hear me, Igbo men don't help a lot of Benin people for this Europe, especially this France, more than their own fellow Benin man. But if they pay me, say Benin man or Benin woman, could just wake up. Start to insult Igbo people. Without say Igbo man no offend you. Start to say you want me what happen. May you go Nigeria, go embezzle Igbo property. I don't understand a lot of you. For this Europe where we dey, their own fellow Benin man go they call Benin woman Ashawo, go they say can never marry Benin woman, say Benin woman na Ashawo. But that same Benin woman, Igbo man go pay him madam, Igbo man go put am for us, Igbo man go send am go school, Igbo man go they feed am. Yet, some Benin are still ungrateful to Igbos. Tell yourself the truth. Like I said, I don't care about your feeling. Your feeling not the pay bills. Your feeling has nothing to do with me. Your feeling is your feeling. And I will keep telling you the truth. Igbo people have done more good for Benin people than Benin people themselves. They just wake up for no reason, start insulting Igbo people. Igbo people don't remove many Benin girls from Achawo work. For this same Europe, where me are you there? Carry the enter us. Your own fellow Benin say they can never marry their own fellow sister because they be Ashawo. But Igbo man go marry and put for us. Igbo man go pay madam. Igbo man go send and go school. And you dey tell me say Igbo na bad people. Many of una get mental problem. God bless you all.
Now, you see, this is the reason why you need to learn how to call evil evil whenever anywhere you see it. Do you understand? This is not to say that the Igbo man, this is not to justify those Igbo people, some of our brothers that are always, Yoruba men, Yoruba this, Benin people. No, don't do that. If you see evil, like I always call Afonja, there's a group of people in Yoruba land called Afonja. There's a group of people in Igbo land called Efulefu. I don't know the language. We have them in every tribe, but I don't know the name in Benin and other tribes. You understand? I know the Afonja and I know the Efulefu. So if you see what Afonja said or what he's doing, don't say, "Oh, Yorubas are this, Yoruba." No. Once allow the Yoruba man to tell you where he belongs, where he coming from. Is he Afonja? Allow the Igbo man to expose himself, whether he's a Efulefu, you understand, or Ifajuna. People who cannot reason with their brain. Imagine what our people are going through, trying to free ourselves politically in Nigeria and to free ourselves as a Biafran. All this thing is what is on our neck. Gaba the Homa, Nabana the Homa. You have to sacrifice one thing to be who you are, who God made you to be. In that process, somebody is busy, ignored everything, and start attacking PM and start telling you that Benin land belongs to Igbo land. That Edo is actually our land. That Oba is a daughter of son of this. Trying to insult Oba. You understand? I'm not in support of it because there's no need for you to do that kind of thing. What are you trying to achieve? Do you know that some people love Oba? I mean, the Benin people. They cherish that they are Oba more than anything. So even if you don't like Oba, why don't you be, for the sake of these people, and respect the Oba for them? Allow the Oba. And Oba is not telling you, they're not saying that Oba should come to your village and that you will start worshiping Oba. They're in their own. But you see some people who love to see people having problem with every ethnic group. They will create a profile and use a Igbo name and start saying other things. You may not believe me. That this is not to say that you don't have people, Igbo people actually that are like real Igbo, confirmed Igbo person that are doing the same thing. They do, but not all the people that are saying it on social media are all Igbos. Some are from Yoruba. Yoruba people, that's Afonja from Yoruba land, are the one behind the keyboard typing those nonsense with a few, of course, a few Efulefu. You know, imagine when Efulefu and Afonja jam together. The rest will be history. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and tell me what you think about what we've discussed so far. Do you agree or disagree? Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye for now. Take care. Bye.